message from one of the pillars of ASA Philippines Foundation. Please welcome Mr. Albert Douglas, Area Administrator.
Thank you, ma'am. Good afternoon, everyone. So, wala naman akong buwan. Masasabi pa. Ang masasabi ko na lang sa mga estudyante na dapat mag-aral na lang kayo ng mabuti para yun na lang ang maibibigay ninyo sa mga parents ninyo na regalo. Kung mag-aaral kayo ng mabuti. Yun lang po. Then maraming salamat po sa pagtanggap ninyo dito sa amin sa ASA Philippines Foundation System. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Sir Albert, for your encouragement. At this juncture, we will have the awarding certificate to express our gratitude to ASA Philippines Foundation for their continued partnership and service to our community. To award the certificate, may we call on Mrs. Marivic V. Igay, Grade 1 Advisor and Brigada Coordinator, together with Ms. Chirel V. Ritorta, Grade 4 Advisor and Faculty President. Ladies and gentlemen, allow me to read the citation. Republic of the Philippines Department of Education, Region 8, Eastern Visayas, Schools Division of Biliran, Pinanguman Elementary School, Biliran. Certificate of Recognition. This certificate is hereby presented to ASA Philippines Foundation Incorporation in sincere recognition for its unwavering commitment and outstanding contribution to community development through the Clients and Community Services Program, distribution of school supplies and hygiene kits, your dedication to supporting students and promoting health and education exemplifies genuine service and compassion for the Filipino people, presented this 24th day of October 2025 at Barangay Pinanguman Elementary School and at Barangay Pinanguman Biliran. So, signed by our school in charge, Ruben E. Igay. A round of applause, please.